Hi, social studies teachers. My name is Kelly, and I'm going to walk you through how to use the unit question map that goes along with most of the social studies units. Question maps can be found in the unit plan itself or on the grade level social studies website. The question map is titled based on the unit plan. In this case, it's for the Revolution and Constitution unit in our 5th grade curriculum. The question map is set up with the compelling question at the top, followed by supporting questions, under which you can find topics and smaller questions that show the content linked to each of the supporting questions. The question map is not the day-by-day lesson plans for the unit, but it is a skeletal breakdown surrounding the compelling and supporting questions and the overall format of the unit. This map is most helpful when you'd like to see the overall structure based on the questions. As you can see at the top, the compelling question for this unit is what rights and responsibilities do I have as an American citizen, and how did I get them? This is a pretty wide question, as it should be, since compelling questions are meant to be the overall focus of the unit. Note that the 4 supporting questions all link back to topics that will help the students answer the compelling question. The unit plan is set up in a way that follows the question map, with lessons surrounding the compelling question, then supporting question 1 followed by a formative, supporting question 2, a formative, so on, until you get to the summative assessment, which may or may not be listed in the unit plan depending on the style. Thank you for watching this video about unit question maps. Be sure to watch the video about using the unit plan and the video about compelling and supporting questions for more information about how these items work together within the unit. Please reach out to your PLC leader, instructional coach, or curriculum facilitator if you have any questions or would like some more information or support.